Today's recipe is a very easy, simple and quick Moroccan salad, delicious and nutritious. Really easy to make, but it's very delicious. You will love this recipe. We have the cucumbers, we peel them and cut them very small. The tomatoes, we peel them and cut them very small. Some onions and the green peppers, we cut them very small too, we chop them. We mix everything. We add lemon juice, a lot of lemon juice. Lemon juice is a key on this recipe. Salt, black pepper, and in the end we will add the olive oil and we will mix everything. You see, it's so easy. Everything is peeled, cut very small, salt, pepper, olive oil, and a lot of the lemon juice. We mix everything, and in the end, when we dress it in the plate, we add some olives for people that like olives, and that's it. The salad is ready. Very refreshing, delicious, and nutritious. This is a very simple Moroccan salad that we prepare it when we have other dishes. Thank you for watching. See you next time on a new video and new recipe. Enjoy.